Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder keeps closing. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder keeps closing, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page of app info, you will enter to the in this list of apps. You will go to the Tinder here. Then we click on first stop. After that, we click storage. When you'll find this page, you will enter to clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.